I am going to explain one new word which is momentous. And very first I have provided you the list of 10 cue cards in which you can use this word. Okay, very first is describe a good decision you made recently. Describe a picture or photograph in your home or room that you like. Describe the wrong decision that you once made. An important decision you made with help of someone. Describe someone you know who made a wrong decision. Describe a time when you took a risk that may have gone wrong but turned out well. Furthers are describe a decision which is made by someone which you disagree with. Describe the occasion when someone has cheated you. Describe a decision which is made by someone you know. And the last one is describe the occasion when you trusted the wrong one. So let's begin our video. The word is momentous. Momentous is an adjective. उसका हिंदी मीनिंग होता है आवश्यक, ज़रूरी, प्रभावशाली, महत्वपूर्ण, असर डालने वाला और सबसे अहम. Let's see its English meaning. English meaning is very important, significant, vital. You can also use the crucial word for paraphrase. It is mostly used for very important decisions and event. You can use it with celebrities also and famous personality. Now let's see the example. Very first one is a nationwide lockdown is a momentous decision taken by PM Narendra Modi. Again, I repeat, a nationwide lockdown is a momentous decision taken by PM Narendra Modi. Second sentence, this was the momentous experience for me as it made me skeptical about the intention of the people. Specifically, this sentence is the example to related to the cue card where you don't trust somebody or somebody has cheated you. Again, I repeat, this was the momentous experience for me as it made me skeptical about the intentions of people. Third one, to go abroad for study was the momentous decision for me. This is the example which is related to the decision. Okay. To go abroad for study was the momentous decision for me. Next one is we must be ready for the momentous changes cause of present economical changes or economical situation. Again, I repeat, we must be ready for the momentous changes cause of present economic situation. Fifth one, that day was the momentous for me as it has changed my life. Again, I repeat, that day was the momentous for me as it has changed my life. This is the example to related the cue card where the situation or condition or any specific incident happen in your life which is very momentous. Okay. Last one is this photograph is the momentous for me as it has all the dear and near ones in it. This photograph is the momentous for me as it has all the dear and near ones in it.